Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you add background music. So you can see we have a footage and I want to add a music here, that is background music. So for that I have to import the background music here. Now I have to click on these three dots left side and add a audio track, add an audio track. You can see down below we have got an audio track and I have to drag this audio here. Now it's time to make it the same position. Now if I play this, you can hear the music but the volume is too high. Uh, so now what we will need to do, just click on the music and go to the filters and then plus icon and search for gain volume, and from here you can actually decrease the volume level. You can see, you can hear the volume has been decreased. So this is how guys you can add background music to your video.